Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Aarati. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I blow dry my hair at home for the Salon Effect. So there are a couple of products that I'm going to show you guys. These are the products that I've actually shared with you guys in my hair care routine. I will leave the picture right here and the link in the cards and in the description box. So go ahead and check it out. It's a really informative video, and these are not very extremely expensive products. So let's get started. So I just had my hair washed and it's been about an hour and a half that I allowed it to like air dry, so it's a little damp. So because I use the shampoo and conditioner together, I do not use a conditioner like the leave-in conditioner right after I come out, but I use it after it's air dried like to 60%. The one that I use is by Pantene. This is what it is. It's their open hair miracle. I just take a dollop of it, like this much, just like that much, and this is a really good product. I feel like this is a really good product, and it kind of works really well for me. I don't know, the reason I started using the Pantene was, when I used to not use a conditioner on my hair, but now that I've actually been using conditioner for months and months now, I've decided to like stick with it for at least like a leave-in conditioner, just to give my hair a little more care. So I scrunch it up in the ends like so, and then with the remaining that is left, I just go over here, and that is it. I don't like to do a lot. I give it a good like 2 to 3 minutes to like settle in, and then I go on with my serum. The serum I use on a daily basis is the Livon's Shake and Spray. I love this so much that I'm almost done with this. This is a really good product. So I just shake it and I spritz it all over my hair like so, just to make it a little more manageable. So personally, my hair is not a lot straight, so mine is normally a natural wavy kind of a hair. I do not have any curly hair or even straight for that matter. Can you see this? Yeah, like there are pieces wherein you can find the waviness. So I just give it like a good serum soak. Then I go in with the hero of this entire video, that is this blow drying brush. This is the Alan Truman's blow brush. I have been loving this brush so much. If you are somebody who does not want to buy this brush, or does not want to you're just starting out with hair care and something like that, you can definitely go for alternatives. I do not use any other heat tool on my hair. The only thing I use is this one. This is a beautiful brush. I like this one so much. If you're somebody who does not want to do it, you don't want to invest, this is for about 3,000 or 2,000 rupees. I will leave the link in the description box again. But if you're somebody who does not want to invest in so much, what you can do is you can buy those barrel brushes. I have one right here. This is the Roots PE. Yeah, this is the Roots PE 25 brush. This is the barrel brush. So what you can do is you can just go over like this and put your hair dryer over. So I think it's been like 2 to 3 years that I've stopped using hair dryers. Before I used to use them a lot, but now I've actually reduced the amount of hair heat I'm going to put on my entire hair. So the only product that I use is this one, and I use it maybe thrice a week, and yeah, that's it. So I feel like I have kind of reduced the heat on my hair. So yeah, if you do not want to go in and invest in a blow brush, you can definitely buy this. This is for like 300 or 400 bucks, and it's always on sale, so you can use this. And then you can go ahead and put a hair dryer, and it will similarly give the same effect. So let's get started with this part of the entire blow drying, because my hair is a mess and I need it to look much more presentable. So what I like to do is I'm going to brush my hair. I use this one, the typical kangi that we use. I use this one and I just brush through so that I see I have no split ends or no knots in my hair. And then I divide my hair into like 4 sections. Treat me right, your dark hair, because I so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take? Alright, once I'm done brushing, see, this is how my hair looks without any blow brush. So it is pretty much straight, but I like to have that salon effect. So what I'm going to do is I am going to go section my hair off in like 4 sections. So I'm just going to take like a good amount of sections, and I'm just going to like put it up. Like so. So ignore how my hair looks when I'm partitioned it. But what I'm now gonna do is I am going to take my blow brush and I'm going to put it in middle. So yeah, it has 3 settings, that is low, medium and high. So I'm going to start with the medium setting and then go to the low setting because I am having like a little damp hair. But if you're somebody who's using it for the second day or the third day, you can start with just low and be good with it. Yeah, so I'm going to start doing it and I'm going to hyperlapse it. So I'm going to put it time lapse because this is gonna, it sounds really very, it's too loud and it's a very simple process. So I just do this and that's it, and I would just give it like 2 seconds to like stay here, and that is all. So you will see it in the video, and yeah, let's get started.
I can't get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you.
So I'm done like with the half part of my hair. I am going to show you guys how I do my bangs because the rest of the hair I kind of blow dry them inward, but you guys can already see a massive difference. Can you see how soft my hair looks? It's so soft. So yeah, half part of my hair is done, so I'm going to do the other half and then I will see you guys in a bit.
Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there?
So yeah, this is like my first part of the blow dry. I am going to do a little more. So when it comes to blow drying, I kind of give it my own time and it takes about 30 minutes for me because I like it in a certain way. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna brush over the entire hair one more time, and all of my hair below I'm gonna blow dry it inward, and the bangs are the only ones I like to do it outward. So that is how I like my hair. So let's go.
Falling for the wrong guys. They keep telling me it's alright.
Once I'm done with my blow dry and I know I'm liking how it looks, I'm just gonna like zhuzh it up. So what I'm gonna do is to give that like, you know, shine, I am going ahead with the Live On Shake and Spray serum again, and I'm just gonna apply it all over like so, so that it looks so neat. And that is it for this video. This is how I blow dry my hair at home to give that salon effect. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, come join my family, it'll mean a lot to me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.